Yo, hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox the most beautiful magnetic mat, and that is the TPOB magnetic mat. And I saw it on the video with TPOB, and it is very, very beautiful, I have to say. Like I said, it is very, very beautiful. Now, ta-da! See that? It's a 6 magnetic mat. So this is it. Like I said before, it is very, very beautiful. Just wait a moment. Just take a look at this. And it is a little bit heavy, I have to say. And it's of good quality. You can easily put your guards here. If you got a magnetic guard, this one is Monster Clippers. It doesn't go like this because it's a plus and minus magnet, because here is also magnet, you know, so it doesn't really stay. You need to turn it around, then it stays. So, and the magnet, this magnet is a really strong magnet. See that? It is a strong magnet. So, see that? And this one. Or you can put this one here, and also here, or you can put one here, something like that. Then you put your razor holder or something like that here. So then I put this one here, and it is very, very good in case if maybe you want to open the screws of your clippers or trimmers. You know, when you open it, then it can fall in here, so it won't fall down. So you don't need to search anymore. So it falls in here. And here we hold. That's I know, because I had some bad experience whereby the screws are falling down, and sometimes I found them, and sometimes I don't find them. So problem solved, which is really, really good. So I didn't find this on TPOB website, but I found it on Amazon US. You can easily buy it from there, and it's very, very cheap. In case if maybe you want to buy things from TPOB website, you can easily use my discount code EDO15 and get 15% off on any of TPOB products. So, peace, man. All right.